Alright, I'm going to test this out real quick. Going to do a little bit of the AK47 here just to see what it looks like. Got the machine all cleaned up, good to go. Don't look bad. So, I don't know. Don't know much about that. So, anyways, compared to the murdered out and the just black, they're pretty dry. So, anyways, get to it. Couple of these there. All right. So about 3 scoops in here. Forgive my barista skills, it's been years since I've done this. Okay. There. Let that thing go. We'll pull a shot here and see what happens. See what it looks like there. Not too bad, right? If I can focus, there we go. It's alright. Might be a little thin. Not too bad though. Not too bad. Not excellent, but I've had worse.